Everybody, Jim King back out here off Thompson Avenue in Kansas City, Missouri. What we've got here, we removed 3/4 of the floor yesterday. We still got a slab right here to remove today. We're gonna haul it all off. We've got roots, tree roots running all through here, which has made the floors up and down. It's an old house and it's pretty common. So we'll cut all the roots out, remove some of this sandy soil and bring in some 3/4 inch rock and then concrete this all back in for the man. This wall right here is an extra. We're gonna come in here and we're gonna do this wall here. We're gonna beautify this. We'll tuck point it, fill all the cracks, tuck point, and concrete it in, and then come back with a waterproofing paint over the top of it. We're gonna take this down, expose this wall. We don't know what it looks like, and we're probably gonna do the same thing to it. So right here, we're gonna put a footing. This vertical support beam is just sitting on 2 inches of concrete. So the main floor will always float up and down. And so while we're in here, we told the owner that, and he's chose to pay us to put a footing underneath this vertical beam and this vertical beam here. It's sitting on the concrete floor, which is about 2 inches thick, and it's crushed in the middle. So what we'll do is, to do this, we'll have to come in with some temporary support columns on each side so we can take these out to dig our hole to pour our 2 foot by 2 foot concrete footing. So stay tuned as we progress. Nice little project here. Give us a call for all your foundation repair needs. King Piers, 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.